So, firstly, welcome to the Sports Republic. Good evening, guys. Good evening, Vikas. Good evening, Vikresh.
Good evening.
I'm being very polite because tomorrow I'm not going to be this polite. Our teams are facing against each other. It's second versus third. It's Delhi Capitals versus Royal Challengers Bangalore. It's two teams who are going for it now. Who are going for it in the sense that they want to become the champions for the first time. They're facing off against each other in the newly constructed Narendra Modi Stadium. Game happens tomorrow. First thoughts, I'm going to go to Vikas. RCB का विकास बता तेरे लिए कि कुछ changes are you seeing for them because they've also come to a new venue now. Do you see any changes for the team?
I actually want someone like Finn Allen in the team, in place of Daniel Christian.
Okay.
Considering it and क्योंकि वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा तो मुझे लगता है फिन एलन चाहिए हमको 3 नंबर पे.
Finn Allen for?
You can either Dan Christian.
Dan Christian. Okay.
And have you guys seen the amount of dew today? It was like way too bad. I mean, it is really important.
It just makes the entire sort of match redundant in terms of capacity and makes it entirely on the toss. Yeah, the toss is going to be really important tomorrow.
Yeah.
Vignesh.
So for me, Finn Allen for Christian.
Yeah.
Yes, Finn Allen, but I'm not sure if RCB are thinking on those lines. They might be looking more in terms of, Daniel Sams being a like replacement for Dan Christian, a more younger version of Dan Christian, maybe. Daniel Sams getting the left arm angle in. So, he might provide variety as well to the attack. And I see an Indian player, Navdeep Saini, not a huge fan. Maybe they might bring in Shahbaz Ahmed since they are getting seam again with Daniel Sams. So they might bring in Shahbaz Ahmed at number 3. But I'll be very happy if they go in with Finn Allen, as Vikas said. But I think they might go for Daniel Sams. So these are the two.
Yeah. Also for me as well, Navdeep Saini goes out and Shahbaz Ahmed comes in.
Yeah. For me, Delhi guys, I think I'm not going to speak on RCB. I think Delhi ke liye, I think the important thing is now to get Nokia back, especially अगर आज की conditions देखी हम लोगों ने how that was. अगर second innings, I mean, if Delhi does not win the toss and they have to ball second, तो spinner यार इस pitch पे is now redundant with the wet ball. It'll be like a normal medium pacer with no spin, and Maxwell and AB can actually like just lay onto that bowling. So I would like to bring in Nokia. Just raw speed might give you something different,
right.
And we've been lacking that as well. Rabada has not been performing that well. So I think that combination of Rabada and Nokia, koi chill nahi. This, they don't give any chill for, the batting lineup, just pace, just coming, onto you. So I think I like to see that change. I would like to see Hitmar going out. And I'm not really sure which Indian talent they get in. Maybe Rahane.
Lalit Yadav, like for Ashwin?
There is no like for Ashwin.
At least gives you the batting cushion. If you're taking out Hetmeyer, तो at least Lalit Yadav आपको batting finish करने का वो थोड़ा सा देगा.
Yeah, I think he can. I think वही Chennai का problem था. He played a very slow innings that day. I mean, we won and he was there, and at least he took us close to the finishing line. I mean, it was a little difficult to judge on that Chennai wicket how a batsman.
But I doubt उन लोग कुछ change करेंगे apart from Ashwin के लिए replacement देखना.
Yeah. नहीं, I think change हो सकता है. I think, I mean, it's difficult कि अब winning combination को change करना is never the right idea. And they've been winning, but last game they barely won. And it's only because of Sunrisers' stupidities that they won, I would say. Rather than Delhi's,
Yeah. Also Sunrisers or super over doesn't go hand in hand. They played 6 super overs, they lost all.
Yeah, and Kane and super over also does not go hand in hand. That guy is just is just unlucky with super overs, that guy. Yeah. So Vignesh, moving forward, teams playing at different locations, at different stadium, at different pitches. Will that make a difference? Narendra Modi Stadium we saw today. The pitch was a little bit of up and down pitch, two paced and नीचे रह रही थी, कुछ was bouncing really well. I mean, carrying really well to the keeper. किसको advantage रहेगा?
Agar teams batting first, unfortunately, matlab they don't have an advantage for the initial 10 overs. Pitch is tacky. Matlab, if what run making difficult hai, and then achanak se snap a finger and run making becomes easy. Having said that, at the same venue, jab India ne 180k plus those scores post kiye the, so they could successfully defend even in the presence of so much amount of dew. So there is some learnings there. Agar matlab if you aim high and set that kind of a score, then maybe scoreboard pressure might come in. So that is one thing both the teams might aim for.
Yeah, आज भी देखा, it wasn't the easiest chase for KKR. I mean, but it's
Correct,
KKR, but it still wasn't the easier. I mean, it still wasn't easy. Yeah, because
for me as well, toss is very important, and whoever unfortunately batting first, उनको मतलब 20-30 रन ज़्यादा बनाने पड़ेंगे. They have to make those extra efforts for that. क्योंकि ड्यू इज वेरी वेरी बैड और ऑलमोस्ट वन साइड कर देगा मैच. और दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के लिए स्पेशली व्हेन यू हैव अमित मिश्रा इज इन गुड फॉर्म, it becomes very difficult to for the leggy to bowl with you. So aksar it will be difficult. So I think toss will be a big issue.
I think मेरे हिसाब से ये है कि of course toss will matter the most tomorrow. वो तो ऑफ कोर्स हमने देखा आज ड्यू कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट मेरे को लगता है कि whoever is bowling in the second innings, उनके bowlers के ऊपर पूरा गेम होगा. So for RCB, I think it's going to be Siraj and the New Zealand quickie, Jamieson. And for Delhi Capitals, again, if Nokia comes back, and Rabada is going to be essential tomorrow. I think that's going to be there. And prediction wise, we're going to swipe the floor clean with you guys tomorrow. तुम्हारे सारी उम्मीदें IPL की खत्म करने वाले हम लोग. So बहुत उड़ रहे थे, CSK ने पर काटे, हमने CSK के काटे थे, अब हम लोग तुम्हारे काटेंगे.
देखते हैं, कल मिलते हैं.
हाँ यार, कॉन्फिडेंस इतना लो है. चलेगा.
नहीं, मुझे था कि ये जोक पे आज हंसना है कि कल जीत के बाद मतलब हंसेंगे.
जीत के बाद तो एक ही जन हंसेगा यहाँ पे.
ठीक है. अरे कल भाई, द स्पोर्ट्स रिपब्लिक व्यूअर्स प्लीज, अगर कल वीडियो नहीं आया क्योंकि दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का फैन हार गया, तो यू नो व्हाट टू डू.
तो कल अगर हम लोग वीडियो नहीं डालते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं सबके सोशल हैंडल्स डाल दूंगा. तो किसको गाली देनी है उस हिसाब से दे देना. Right. Again, this was fun.
Match should be 40 overs यार, पूरे 40 ओवर तक.
Sure man, I swear मतलब. And I hope यार कल इतना ड्यू इतना इफेक्ट ना करे, because that again it just spoils the game, it just makes it lopsided. Right? So
and imagine we are going to play playoffs in Ahmedabad. That's going to be very bad.
And seriously,
very bad.
Seriously, and that is going to be closer to the monsoon season. तो वहाँ तो और भी ज़्यादा dew और humidity की issues आएंगे. So this was fun again. We'll wait for tomorrow. Big game for us, facing each other. और भाई ये किसी का भी momentum खराब कर सकता है ये game, because both teams are now going well. And then this can actually is a very important game.
And I think it is very important for RCB actually, क्योंकि अगर हारते तो back to back 2 मैच हारेंगे.
Again that confidence थोड़ा सा, it's RCB, और वो again that self doubt comes. और last game में तुम लोग RCB style में आ रहे हो, मतलब कि catches छोड़ रहे हो proper, मतलब वो सब पूरा वापस again that hint of confusion comes in.
And Christian ने जडेजा का catch छोड़े दिमागी बन गया. Anyway.
But we'll see tomorrow what happens. We'll join after the game and discuss how it goes.
Sure.
Let's see if I join this sober or with a drink in my hand. All right, see you guys. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you, boys.
Take care.